Hi, I'd like to show you my Visual Studio Code extension that allows to organize Sprint in a text file with color coding and IntelliSense. I'm here in Visual Studio Code and I have a brand new file called mysprint.pln. I'm going to start by creating a comment. And since we're talking about sprint, I'm going to type the word sprint, which is recognized, and I'm going to hit tab. And I get a code snippet. My sprint is going to end at a different date, so I'm going to type date and tab and pick my date. And then I'm going to type team and tab and pick my team. I can save the file. Now our sprint has stories, so I'm going to type stories and tab. And here's my story, so I can say as a user, I want to ... so that ... My story 3 points, and my story has task, so I'm going to hit task and tab. I can type developer and hit tab and pick my developer, and I can type tester and it might select my tester. Now my task already started, so I'm going to tap status and select in progress. I can create another task and go along. And this is the demo of my Visual Studio Code extension.